Hey guys, this is Vania from Dayside TV, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make your own cotton mask. A lot of you probably don't have face masks or it's impossible to buy one right now, so today I'm gonna teach you how to make your own using a scarf or bandana. All you need to make your own face mask is one scarf or bandana and 2 hair elastic. Okay, so the first step, lay out your scarf like so. Fold it in half and fold it again another half. And fold it again another half. Take out your hair elastic, slide one to the left side and slide one to the right side. Carefully fold your bandana against each other and tuck one underneath. Pick up your bandana carefully. The hair elastic part will go behind your ears like so. And now you have your own face mask. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and don't forget to hit that notification bell up there. See you next time.